Hi creative friends, I'm Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit. I'm here at our Graystone Beach Cottage and we just got a delivery of something fun, a new mattress from Polysleep. So come on in and let's open it up. Okay, so several months ago before the summer we decided that we needed to swap out one of the mattresses here in our cottage. And it was just kind of serendipitous timing that Polysleep reached out to us to offer us to give this mattress a test try. And I was a little bit skeptical, but I have to say it was so amazing to be able to just get a mattress delivered out here in a rural area of Ontario, because a lot of places don't do that delivery and then we would have had to figure out how to transport the mattress. So this was great. It actually came in this box. It's not too heavy, I'll have to check the weight of it, so it's totally movable, and it comes all rolled up like this. In larger cities such as Montreal, they actually will deliver the box by bike courier, which is pretty cool. So now I'm going to take this bag, the mattress inside, and roll it out on the bed. Taking the final layer off, and right away it's starting to expand. Wow, so cool. Fits perfect. Okay, let's try this out. Oh, yeah, that's good. Okay, wow, that was so cool how the whole mattress expanded in seconds. And you can see here it has a couple of layers, it looks like, although it feels like one piece of specially designed memory foam, and on the bottom there is a mesh layer that helps with the airflow so that it doesn't get very hot. Okay, so I got the mattress on the bed. It was relatively painless. It was so cool. I think now it needs about a little bit of time just to fully expand and take shape. I'd read about other mattresses in a box and was worried that there would be a strong odor, but there isn't. There's a tiny odor, but it's not very noticeable, and I'm sure will clear out pretty quickly. So this is our new Polysleep mattress. It's a queen size mattress. So far so good. So I'm going to be sleeping on it for a few nights to see how it goes. It does have a 100-day refund guarantee. If you don't like it, you can return it. And so yeah, so far so good. I've now had the opportunity to use the Polysleep mattress for just over a month and I'm absolutely loving it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below or visit us at sustainmycrafthabit.com. Bye!